As an MTF crossdresser or transgender woman, embracing and enhancing your femininity can be a deeply personal and empowering journey. One vital aspect of this process is the cultivation of feminine habits that not only enhance your appearance but also make you feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin. From perfecting your skincare routine to mastering makeup techniques and caring for your hair, these essential feminine habits can help you express yourself authentically while reinforcing your feminine identity. Personal grooming forms the foundation of any successful transformation, so let's begin there. Proper skincare plays a fundamental role in achieving a clear and radiant complexion. By developing a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, moisturizing, exfoliating, and protecting from harmful UV rays through sunscreens, you can achieve healthier-looking skin that serves as an excellent canvas for makeup application. Speaking of makeup application skills, they are truly an art form. Deftly applying cosmetics enables you to highlight your best features while softening any masculine traits if desired. Learning the fundamentals such as foundation matching for seamless coverage or experimenting with eyeshadow techniques will help you attain the look best suited to express your unique femininity. Hair care should never be underestimated when it comes to embracing one's feminine side as well. Consider exploring different hairstyles that suit your face shape and lifestyle. Experiment with hair care products such as shampoos catered towards maintaining shine or volume depending on personal preferences. Invest time into practicing styling techniques like curling or straightening to effortlessly transform yourself into the glamorous woman within. If you're ready to embark on this transformative journey towards embracing femininity more fully, whether part-time or full-time, keep watching. In this video, we'll explore 6 essential feminine habits specifically tailored for MTF crossdressers or transgender women just like yourself. Prepare to unlock newfound confidence by incorporating these practices into your daily life. Nurturing body posture and grace can greatly enhance the overall femininity of MTF crossdressers or transgender women. One key aspect of developing a feminine presence is practicing good posture. This means keeping your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and chin parallel to the ground. Not only does having proper posture make you appear more confident and elegant, but it also contributes to a healthier spine. Incorporating yoga or dance classes into your routine is another fantastic way to cultivate gracefulness. Both practices involve engaging various muscles throughout the body, promoting flexibility, balance, and poise. Yoga focuses on mindfulness and breath awareness while improving strength and coordination, offering an opportunity for relaxation and self-discovery. Dance classes provide an outlet for self-expression through movement while learning choreography that emphasizes fluidity and grace. One essential skill to master as a MTF crossdresser or transgender woman is walking confidently in heels. Although it can feel challenging at first, with practice comes improvement. Start by choosing comfortable heels with lower heights until you become accustomed to them. When walking in heels, maintain good posture by rolling through each step from heel to toe rather than placing your entire foot flat on the ground at once. Engage your core muscles for stability and take smaller steps initially before gradually increasing stride length as your confidence grows. Exercises to lower vocal pitch. One of the key aspects of developing a more feminine voice is achieving a lower vocal pitch. Various exercises can help you achieve this, such as practicing speaking from the chest rather than the throat. Deep breathing techniques can also aid in lowering your natural pitch over time. Additionally, working with a speech therapist or taking online courses specifically designed for feminizing your voice can provide invaluable guidance in refining your vocal skills. Tips for speaking softly with proper enunciation. Softening your spoken words and mastering proper enunciation are essential elements of cultivating feminine speech patterns. Practice speaking slowly and deliberately, placing emphasis on fluidity and smoothness rather than rushing through sentences. Pay attention to how other women articulate their words and try to incorporate those nuances into your own style of conversation. Finding one's unique voice style. While it's important to work towards achieving a more traditionally feminine voice, it's crucial not to lose sight of expressing yourself authentically. Embrace the opportunity to experiment with different styles and find what feels most comfortable for you personally, whether that encompasses a sweet, high-pitched tone or something deeper and sultrier. Strive for balance between adapting to societal expectations while maintaining true self-expression within the spectrum of femininity. Remember that everyone's journey is unique, so be patient with yourself as you refine these habits over time. With dedication, practice, and an open mind, embracing these feminine behaviors will become second nature as you navigate life as an MTF crossdresser or transgender woman. One of the key aspects of developing feminine habits as an MTF crossdresser or transgender woman is mastering the art of expressing emotions effectively. Society often imposes strict norms on how emotions should be expressed, but breaking free from these constraints can be liberating and empowering. Start by allowing yourself to feel your emotions fully without judgment. Acknowledge both positive and negative feelings, giving each emotion its own time and space to be heard. Next, practice articulating your emotions in a clear and assertive manner, using I statements to communicate your needs and desires. This will help you establish healthy boundaries while also fostering better relationships with others. Empathy is a crucial aspect of emotional intelligence that allows us to understand and share the feelings of others. As an MTF crossdresser or transgender woman navigating through different gender identities, cultivating empathy can provide valuable insights into both your personal journey and those around you. Step out of your own shoes for a moment and actively listen when someone shares their experiences or struggles with you. Validate their feelings by acknowledging their perspectives without judgment or comparison. Remember that everyone's experiences are valid in their own right. Engaging in volunteer work or community activities can also help broaden your perspective and increase empathy towards diverse groups within society. Self-awareness plays a vital role in personal growth as it enables us to identify our strengths, weaknesses, values, beliefs, triggers, patterns, and reactions more accurately. Meditation has been known for centuries as a powerful tool for self-reflection as it helps quieten the mind, focus inwardly on oneself at present moment awareness, mindfulness, recognize thoughts without judgment, non-reactivity, cultivate appreciation, gratitude, compassion, loving kindness. Similarly important is considering professional therapy or counseling services, where trained therapists can support you in exploring your identity, emotions, and experiences. Therapy offers a safe space to unpack any internal conflicts or anxieties you may have about embracing your femininity fully. Remember that developing emotional intelligence takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself as you explore these strategies and embrace the journey towards cultivating deeper emotional connection within yourself and others. Incorporating polite behavior into everyday interactions is a key component of embracing femininity for MTF crossdressers or transgender women. Simple gestures like holding doors open, saying please and thank you, and using respectful language can go a long way in creating an atmosphere of grace and elegance. Taking the time to acknowledge others with genuine compliments or engaging in small talk can also make a positive impression. Navigating social situations gracefully is another vital aspect of feminine habits. Pay attention to the cues and body language of those around you, allowing them to guide your actions and responses. Practice active listening by maintaining eye contact and providing thoughtful responses. Understanding table manners is yet another area where trans women can enhance their femininity through refined behavior. Learning basic etiquette such as proper usage of utensils, napkin placement, and appropriate dining conversation topics are invaluable skills for any woman. Seek out resources or consult etiquette guides that provide detailed instructions on these finer points. By incorporating refined manners into daily life, MTF crossdressers or transgender women will not only showcase their femininity but also demonstrate respect towards themselves and others around them. One of the most effective ways to express femininity and develop a feminine habit is through clothing choices. Experimenting with different styles, colors, and fabrics can help you discover what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Start by building a basic wardrobe with essential pieces such as skirts, dresses, blouses, and heels. Play around with accessories like jewelry, scarves, or handbags to add a personal touch. Remember that there are no strict rules when it comes to fashion. The key is to find what resonates with your own sense of style. While trends can be exciting to follow, developing your own fashion sense is crucial in embracing your femininity authentically. Take inspiration from various sources like magazines, online platforms dedicated to transgender fashion tips, or influencers sharing their styling journeys on social media platforms such as YouTube or Instagram. Try out different looks in front of a mirror and trust your intuition when choosing outfits that reflect who you truly are. As an MTF crossdresser or transgender woman, embarking on this journey towards femininity may require building confidence along the way. Handling self-doubt may become easier over time by practicing self-acceptance. Replace negative thoughts about yourself, body, insecurities, etc. with positive affirmations. Empower yourself by surrounding yourself with supportive friends, family members you feel safe being vulnerable around. As you continue embracing feminine habits, pay attention not only to external appearances but also prioritize inner growth. Taking care of both physical health and mental well-being will contribute significantly toward overall confidence development. This could include engaging in fitness activities, receiving therapy sessions, just like anyone else might benefit, pursuing hobbies, socializing within LGBT community spaces, etc. Change doesn't happen all at once. Set small goals. Be patient, celebrate milestones, don't forget self-care, and remember to indulge in activities that make you happy. Confidence is a journey, so be kind and patient with yourself as you discover your true potential.